So now let's see how we can add in a type of noise which is maximum noise inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select this particular image right here, and I'm going to go around under effects, and then I'm going to go to noise. So over here you can see that maximum is an option, and once you go ahead and do that, you can see that noise is added onto the bright parts right here. So I can go ahead and change around the radius, and you can see that the bright parts right here actually has dots right here showing a maximum noise. I can go ahead and change around the percentage of the noise as well, and what happens is that it controls out the intensity of that particular noise once you do this. So this is simply that. So you can see that I can go ahead and change around the maximum noise right here just by dragging in the sliders right here just like this. So that is how you can add in maximum noise inside of Corel Draw photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.